What is going on, everybody? Back with another video. First of all, like usual, subscribe, like, check out the IG sponsor, all this good stuff. Today is a chill Sunday, right? And I got a couple of things that came in for the prelude. So here it is. Mostly from Amazon. It's nothing too crazy. It's just some interior stuff for the prelude. So first off is a new shift knob. It's the dildo shift knob. So got that one. It's supposed to come with a couple of adapters, but I don't see any that comes with it. So I may have to go grab the appropriate size adapter if needed at Home Depot or something like that. And I got a Broadway mirror for the Prelude. Also, can't go wrong with this. This works great in the Civic, so just gonna do it for the Prelude. I got a couple of decals for the Prelude. Yeah, and a Sudigawa in the heart shape. So it'll be going on to the prelude today. So just gonna drive over to Steven's house and install it. Parked my car a little bit further from my house yesterday. So walking to it right now. We're almost there. It's raining, of course. Oregon weather. Can't really get around that. But through the magic of teleportation, I will be at my car in 3, 2, 1. Bam! There it is. Ooh boy, made it to Steve's house. I'm about to go into the prelude. Let me just unlock this bad boy. Put Sudigawa and stuff in here. And head on. Oops. Old car problems, and head on to the other side. Alrighty then, first thing that I would like to officially do is, oh dear, is to put away the stickers, cause can't be putting this on yet. It's raining. I'm gonna clip on the Broadway mirror. Boom, there we go. The mirror is clipped on. So next off is I'm gonna try the shift knob. Hey Steven, do you have a oh shit, it's too big. Screwdriver? Yeah. That sucks. We're going to go buy a adapter for the threads, guys. Oh wow, it's a big ass doodle. Alright. See? It's not bad. Alrighty. Time for a little Sudigawa installation. It's gonna be harder in this car since there's not a lot of options to put it. How you feel about the dildo, Steven?
It's okay.
Explain to me how this smaller shift knob has a wider thread than this giant 7-inch dildo shifter.
Maybe because so if this one has a smaller hole.
Yeah, it has a smaller little hole than this one, because there's a thread adapter for the Mugen shift knob. Well, you took off. I told you about the adapter for the Mugen shift knob, which is on right now. And then you took it off, and then the hole that's for the Mugen shift knob is like totally bigger. That's what she said.
Yeah, it says 70.
Oh boy.
Oh, perhaps because if it was bigger here, then it'd look bigger inside.
That's what she said. Make it bigger.
You could take your stock Civic sway bar and then use that metal and then weld some onto.
Okay.
Might be too short.
How are we gonna deal about the? Okay. If we can make it work, then it's gonna be cool.
Spare metal.
You still want to go to the pick and pull?
Oh yeah.
Oh, hey.
It's a croissant.
Uncle, want to see a dildo?
A dildo?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd love to.
It's right there on Steven's lap.
What a wow! Look at that fucking shift knob. Holy fuck!
You wanna guess how many inches it is?
How many inches?
Yeah.
I'm gonna. Hang on, let me see. Wait, let me look. I'm gonna say about 8 or 7 or 8.
Yeah, 7.
Is it 7? Yeah.
Will you believe me if I told you this is not the biggest?
Shift knob you've ever seen?
There was 5 sizes. This is the middle one.
So there's 5 sizes. So it was the 3rd one.
Yeah.
I don't really. What the fuck? You're not shitting me.
I'm not shitting you.
Oh, what the fuck? A bigger
Yeah. Fuck me.
one. One that goes up that high. Jeez. Bro, imagine shifting one that's that big.
You just yank it and then it doesn't take that much force to just shift.
It's good,
Bro,
man.
you
We
probably
won't
get
get
hella
short shift.
bitches on that thing. Is that all it does? Oh shit, it doesn't fit.
That's about it.
Did you guys go buy one? Oh, you
No,
no,
yeah.
you have to go buy
Yeah,
one.
we have to go
Peace.
to Ace or something. Turns out he
It was
is
Dirk? No, I'm sorry.
his friend with neighbor. Yeah, and the funny part is he's coming to have like 1
Really, that was it?
Yeah. What's even more sketchy is that they had.
Hold on. Wait, did you ask somebody to come over here?
Made it back to my house. We're gonna hold off on the shifter, our shift knob, because the thread is a little bit too big. So what I did is order some thread adapter on Amazon for it. So it should be coming in 2 days. I'll worry about it later. But now we're gonna hang and wait for Michael to come here.
Hello there, bitches.
Michael's here. Wait, hold on, wait. Oh shit, never mind. Oh, the cop left. Well, there was 2 cops over there. They were pulling someone over. There's a cop over there right now. Oh, what happened, right? What happened?
Things happened, yeah.
Yeah, things happened.
That was funny.
Okay, guys. McDonald's. What's your reaction on bringing outside food to establishments?
I think it's great, like even though like it's really inconsiderate to like the restaurants. You know, if I think the restaurant has like crappy drinks, I'll bring in like my own drink from like another store and eat their food.
It is a couple of days after, and the situation for the shift knob is that we're gonna order a different one because, oh son of a bitch, fuck me, the shift knob adapter that I ordered, I canceled it due to the fact that I totally forgot, or yeah, I definitely forgot the size of the hole that's currently in the shift knob. But anyways, I'll have to order a 10 by 1.5 shift knob for the Prelude. So I'll do that probably sometime on Friday, Saturday. But a good note is that I figured out a way to take off the shift knob from my Civic. So I'm gonna order a adapter kit so I can put on a shift knob that's meant for the manual transmission, like that dildo shift knob or the Mugen shift knob that's in the Prelude right now. I'm talking about that, and the adapter kit should be able to convert the shifter into a shifter that's able to accept any threaded shift knob as long as it's 16 by 1.5. How do you feel about bringing both the Civic and the Prelude?
Okay.
Made it to Cascade Auto Class. Today is just a little errand day for the Prelude and a Civic. On the way here, we experienced an involuntary rear end collision. What's up? How do you feel about that involuntary rear end or front end collision?
It's funny.
Bro,
He was trying to get to my turn lane, but then I guess someone ended up. Oh wait, no, he went reverse.
yeah, he reversed into someone else. Involuntary rear end collision. I'm telling you, man, that's some fucked up shit. Okay, let's head into Cascade Auto Glass for the crack quotes. It's not the drug kind of crack. Yeah, boy, just made an appointment for the windshield replacement. Now we're gonna go back to my house actually because it's still kind of early for the Honda appointment. So around 3 o'clock we'll head to Honda, but now we'll just chill out at my house. You feel? Oh snap! Appointment time. All the way in, all the way in. To the very front. Yeah, VTEC bro, all the way matched the Pilot. There we go. Beautiful guys, we're gonna get serviced. Oh hey, then to you there. Just trading for the Type R. That's what this appointment was really about. Trading in for a Type R. Here's the proof right here.
Huh? Oh, that's right there.
Yeah, this is the proof. So we're about to drive it out right now. Steven, show them the road. Steven out here trying to work on the Prelude. At Bob Slender's Honda. Beautiful. Steven Tontat, official certified Honda license plate dealer technician. Yeah, that's Steven.
Yeah, I was talking. Back in the Type R.
Well, today's a sad day. Couldn't get a Type R. Where'd you go with a Type S?
Just a lovely day.
Should be an asshole. We finished with the service today. We ended up having a free oil change and did a brake fluid flush because it's that time to do one. Anyways, now we're at the mall up in the parking structure. You know what time it is. Cue the cinematic. Hope you guys kind of like that little montage that came out of nowhere, totally unplanned. I'm gonna end the vlog right here. We're gonna go inside and eat at the food court because we're hungry, and this vlog has been carrying on more than it should be. So yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. And any last words, Steven? Any last word before I
Before I jump.
oh boy.